Turkey's first locally produced cars debuts in Las Vegas. The world's biggest consumer electronics exhibition, CES 2022, hosted in the U.S. city of Las Vegas, saw the global premiere of Turkey's first locally built automobile on Wednesday. The Smart Life platform from TOGG's technologies includes a lot more than just a vehicle that's always online. TOGG is totally focused on the needs of the end user. A product's survival is dependent on whether or not it adds value to the consumer. Around the globe, there have been several patents filed for the use case mobility idea. At least 350 use cases and 40 new concepts were worked on. As many as 2,000 participants took part in a quantitative study, which comprised a number of focus groups and individual interviews. Based on the themes we prioritized, a user journey map was created. TOGG's portfolio includes smart energy solutions, according to Caracas, who also said that, "We will manufacture our batteries in-house via Zero Silk Road Clean Energy Solutions, a joint venture with Farasis Energy." Aside from electric cars, we want to build a position as a battery and energy storage solutions supplier in non-automotive industries, he added. By 2030, TOGG plans to build 1 million cars in 5 distinct categories. According to the CEO, the first mass-produced car would be ready by the end of 2022. Once homologation testing are completed, our first C-segment SUV will be on sale early in 2023, he said. A non-traditional manufacturer will construct the first electric SUV in continental Europe. It was in June of this year that the Anadolu Group, BMC, Koç and Zorlu Holdings and the Turkic Union of Chambers and Commodity Exchanges, TOGG, came together to form a new organization. TOGG became the first Turkish company to win an IF Design Award in 2021, one of the world's most prestigious design honors, with its C-SUV model.